Well, hello everybody. This is my first video. Um, I guess I'm going to go over NFTs. Well, I'm going to go over deadmau5 NFTs very, very quickly. deadmau5 partnered with rares.io and Wax. Wax is a part of the EOS blockchain, and it's basically just used to trade NFT collections. If you look at the different collections, you can see there's blockchain heroes. This is traditional EOS, the Garbage Pail Kids. There's a bunch of bigger projects, but dead mouse. See, I say this wrong. I don't know why. I don't know who this guy is, but if you view the collection, you can see that there are already a ton of NFTs available for sale. You can see, look at that one. Jesus, 700 bucks. These are going to go fast. So the packs here, and they're still for sale. But what we're going to do is we're going to open up a pack. So rares.io is the way you would actually utilize any of the packs that you buy. And we will open up a mega pack. I bought 2 mega packs and I bought 1 regular standard pack. So let's see. Just to prove. Creating a Wax account is very, very easy. It's as simple as using a Google account. You just log in with Gmail. Where's the sound? Sometimes they have sound, sometimes they don't. I think it really depends on what. Oh, these are cool. So each one of these are different NFTs, and they have a different mint number. Oh, that one's cool. What is that? A black card. They all had different percentages on what you could get. The sticker was the most common. I know black card was hard. Let's see, digital pins. A gold digital pin. I don't know if that means anything. A goat, but we will find out. So let's see. Let's look at this. Can you click on it? No. Oh, because we're still just revealing. View in my wallet. Oh, these are really, really cool. So I know this was kind of brief and not very informative, but I wanted you to at least be able to see what is available and what the hell people are talking about. So now you can trade these on the open market. You use one of these DFs here, like Atomic Market, and you'll see. I guarantee the market is just full of dead mount. Yeah, it is, and they're expensive. Let's see. I wonder if Crypto Slam listed it yet. CryptoSlam.io. Yeah. So now you can see all the sales. These are the rankings of sales. deadmau5. Look at they did sales in the last 20. They only did 3,700. I would have thought. Oh, I wonder if that's just a marketplace, or if that's not even including. So they've done 3,700 in sales in the last 5 hours. Oh, that's crazy. All right, well, there's a brief overview of NFTs. If you check out cryptoslam.io, they're a very new site, and they basically track the entire market of what's being sold. So you can see that a ton of money is being spent on Top Shot, Axie Infinity, the Ethereum game. It's an unbelievable game. So if you like this video, subscribe, I guess, and like it, and follow me on Twitter, and I will do more. All right, thanks.